皆さん、こんにちは。Hello and welcome back to Mango Languages series on Japanese writing systems. Last time, we learned that Japanese sounds can be transcribed using kanji, katakana, hiragana, or romaji. Today, we are going to focus on basic hiragana. では、始めましょう。Let's get started. What does a hiragana character represent? Hiragana represents sounds, and each hiragana character corresponds to a unit of sound called a mora. A Japanese mora is similar to a syllable in English, but there are some distinctions. There are three types of basic mora in Japanese. The first being vowels. Here are the 5 vowels in Japanese. A, I, U, E, O. Each vowel sound is represented by hiragana. A, I, U, E, O. The second type of mora is a combination of a consonant and a vowel. In English, we have the letters M and A to represent the sound ma. But in Japanese, we have one hiragana character to represent the sound ma. The majority of basic hiragana characters belong to this category. For example, this hiragana represents the sound ne, and this one represents ku. The third type of mora is a special case, and there is only one. This character represents the sound n. It's the only mora in Japanese that does not have a vowel sound. In order to learn all 46 basic hiragana characters and sounds, we'll use a hiragana chart to see them in an organized way. The first row across is the 5 basic vowels. The other rows, except the very last one, consist of hiragana characters representing a combination of a consonant and a vowel. Download the chart from the Language Learning Resources section of our website and make sure to follow along, row by row. Feel free to pause the video at any time. At the top, we have the 5 vowels. A, I, U, E, O. We can already make a word using these first 2 hiragana. A and I make ai. It means love. Continuing with the second row, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Can you read these words? Ki, ku, kiku. It means to listen, and ko, e, koe means a voice. Let's move on to the third row. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Notice that shi sounds like shi as in ship. And here's your favorite word. Su, shi, sushi. Yes, sushi. How about this one? Sa, ke, sake. It means salmon. Yum. Next. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Here, chi sounds like chi in chip. Also, tsu is similar to the ts sound found in cats. Let's practice them in words. Tsu, chi, tsuchi. It means soil or dirt. And ka, ta, chi, katachi means a shape. Let's continue. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Here are a couple of useful words. Na, ni, nani. It's a question word that means what. And this one is a, no, ne, ano ne. It's a friendly phrase you can begin your conversation with, as in, you know what? The next row is ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Note that fu is often spelled out as the letters F and U in Romaji, but the pronunciation is different from the English F. Pretend you are blowing out candles. That's how you pronounce fu. Let's practice. Hi, fu, hifu, skin. Fu, ne, fune, ship. Moving on. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Here are a couple words for practice. Ma, me, mame, beans. Mu, su, me, musume, daughter. Let's skip the next one for now and try this row first. La, li, ru, le, ro. As you can tell, although we do use R in this row, it doesn't sound like the English R. In fact, it sounds like something in between the English R and L sounds. Ready to try? Ka, ri, ru, kariru. This is a Japanese term for to borrow. Ka, ra, I, karai. It means hot or spicy. Now we have these two short rows. Ya, yu, yo, and wa, o. No doubt you are wondering why there are some blank spots in these rows. It's because these blank spots are basically the same exact sounds as the vowels in the first row. That's why these are left in blanks. Now, you'll see we have a different character for o here. This hiragana is unique and has its own special function in modern Japanese. It appears in a sentence like this. Su, shi, o, ta, be, ma, su. Sushi o tabemasu. We eat sushi. Here are a couple of words using other characters in these two rows. Yo, ya, ku, yoyaku, reservation. Ya, wa, ra, ka, i, yawarakai, soft. And finally, we have here all by itself because does not have any vowel attached to it. It's important to remember that though has no vowel, it still counts as a one mora, just like any other sounds found in this hiragana chart. Let's practice. Mi, na, minna, everybody. A, shi, anshin, peace of mind. And that's all we have in our basic hiragana chart. To help you learn all these hiragana, Mango Languages offers useful resources. On our website, you see this exact same downloadable hiragana chart to help memorize all these characters. Mango's Japanese course is also a great place where you can read and strengthen your hiragana knowledge, with some help from the Romaji pop-ups. Click on a word to hear a native speaker enunciate it clearly and slowly to strengthen your vocabulary. With a little bit of practice, you'll be able to start reading Japanese in no time. In the next episode, we focus on another type of Japanese characters, katakana. Thank you for watching. どうもありがとうございました。じゃあまた。